Hey, what's going on, guys? This is going to be a different video completely. This is not anything that I upload on my channel, but I need answers. So let me explain my situation here. I have high blood pressure. I'm taking metoprolol to drop it down, and I'm taking buspirone for anxiety. Now, the problem with both of those things, metoprolol doesn't seem to lower my blood pressure, if at all. I don't know. But it's giving me side effects like shortness of breath and like chest discomfort or pain, whatever you want to call it. Now, what I'm frustrated about is I've done a total of 5 EKGs. I've done a stress test. And I had my heart listened to, my lungs and everything else. Every test I did was normal. They didn't find anything. Yet I'm having problems with my chest and don't know what is happening or anything like that. I'm thinking about getting an ultrasound to see, what's going on there, but it's ridiculous. And metoprolol doesn't seem to work. I've taken lisinopril, amlodipine, and then metoprolol, 3 blood pressure medications. None of them seem to work. And then I was dealing with anxiety attacks and panic attacks. My first one was a while ago. Like when I started taking lisinopril, I had my first one, and that's when I called the ambulance because I wasn't sure what the hell was going on. And so yeah, that's that. My blood pressure is still not in a normal level. With being on metoprolol, it's like 133 over the diastolic number is okay. It's like 75, 76, which is normal, as long as it's below 80. And my top number never seems to get to the 120s. It just sticks to like lower 130s, and then like recently I just checked, it was like 145 or something. But I checked it a second time and went down to 133. But as you see, when I'm talking, I'm trying to like catch my breath here. I have like chest discomfort and all that other crap. And also another thing I notice is when I barely move, like I can just stand up and go to the kitchen, my heart rate jumps like crazy. Actually, I have an oximeter. I'll show you right now. I'll turn it on real quick. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Okay. It's probably... Well, my oxygen level is 97 and pulse is 86. What I mean, the pulse, this number, seems to go up when I do very little activity. Like, I can literally stand up and it'll be at like 85. I'll walk to the kitchen and it's going to go past 100, or it's going to be 112, 115. And I looked at things that could potentially cause that, which is inappropriate sinus tachycardia, which your heart sends extra electrical signals that's not needed and makes your heart beat faster than it should. But I have that thing on like a lot. Like I constantly check it, and I test it out, and like I sit still, it goes down a little bit. As soon as I just simply move my arm down like this, that's enough to raise it about 5 or 6 beats per minute. Just simply doing that. Now, my question here, if there's any cardiologist, any doctor, anyone out there who's watching this right now, can you please explain in the comments below what it is? Because I'm frustrated. The metoprolol doesn't really help me. If anything, it's causing even worse symptoms. Like I'm having muscle aches, twitching. I cannot sit still. If I feel like I sit still and relax, I feel like something's going to happen. Part of it's anxiety, I know. But it's just frustrating, and just if anyone has answers out there, leave them in the comments below, because I'm thinking about getting an ultrasound on my heart here, to see if there's, and if that comes back normal, I don't know. I literally don't know what to think. I'm hoping it's just the metoprolol that I'm taking that's causing these side effects and everything else. But the thing that sucks is I cannot stop taking it like suddenly. I have to wean it off, so lower the dose gradually over a period of time, which I'm only taking half a dose now. I've been taking half a dose, except the one time I panicked and took the full dose, which was, I regretted it because I didn't feel good after that. But yeah, I'm taking half a dose, which half a dose is 12.5 milligrams. I don't know how much smaller you can get from that. But I'm scared to take it because, of course, if you stop taking it suddenly, it can cause even worse side effects, worse chest pain, or you can even cause a heart attack, worst case scenario. So, I don't know. Like, my heart beats faster than it should sometimes. I mean, I also don't exercise as much as I should, which I know I should, but that kind of brings me to the problem is that, like, I get tired, like my heart beats too fast, and I don't want to overwork it or make it to where it's beating too fast. I want to avoid that. But yeah, if you have any question or any answers to what's possibly going on, because I thought of different things of what it might be. I've thought of, because apparently, according to doctors, it's just blood pressure. Which, if that's the case, I mean, I in a way, I kind of hope it is, and not anything else extra. Because I thought of atrial fibrillation, I thought of, there's a sinus syndrome, whatever it's called, arrhythmia, and heart failure as one of the things. But like I said, I've done 5 EKGs, everything came back normal. I don't know what the hell to think. I hope that, I mean, I don't really hope, but some of it can be caused by anxiety. And my anxiety right now is like bad. I've had anxiety before, but not to this extent. And my anxiety medication doesn't seem to work well. But yeah, I know this video is not what I usually upload, because I usually upload like gaming stuff, which this whole situation's kind of preventing me from doing it, because my blood pressure goes up very easily. I don't know why. But anyways, if you guys have any answers or anything else, leave them in the comments below, and just let me know, and that's about it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.